Americans go $1,300 into debt on average every Christmas. Here's how to make it your best holiday ever, without owing a single dollar in January. Set a total gift-giving budget before you buy a single thing. List every person you'll buy for and assign a dollar amount. Total must equal or be under your budget. Adjust until it does. $600 Christmas budget. Save $50 per month starting in January. Open a separate account named Christmas Fund. Transfer auto on first. By December 1st, cash is waiting. No stress, no debt, no regrets. Experience gifts. Homemade dinner. Day trip together. Teach a skill. Subscription starters. First month of streaming/coffee service. Consumables. Great candle, specialty coffee, local honey. Always welcome. Suggest a gift spending limit exchange with family. Most are relieved. Secret Santa within groups cuts spending 75% and keeps the fun. Alternative, experience-based holiday, dinner out versus gift exchange. Get my Christmas budget planner at https://www.etsy.com/shop/emoflowco. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.